Hey guys, what's up?
Hope you had a great holiday. Still kind of fat from Turkey Day. But that's only going to get worse with Christmas, you know. But
Yeah, just sitting here in the garage.
looking at stuff, trying to figure out what I want to do on the intake. Well, I'll show you what I've been tinkering with, guys. I've been just been working on this, getting this all figured out for the sheet metal, because I want to make this tin separate from the exhaust and the turbo, so it can help kind of keep cool the motor a little bit, you know. A little better view of all that stuff. Yeah, like all right here. I'm gonna cover all that up so it's just separate, keep it separated, you know. But yeah, I've been messing with that, trying to figure all that out. Baby steps, you know. I got my intake, I got my water to air intercooler right there, my buddy Nick gave me. And then I had my buddy at Auto Muffler King, Kevin, weld that up for me for water to air. That intercooler is off of a 1985 or 84 Ford Thunder Coupe, Turbo Coupe, Thunder Chicken. But yeah, I don't know if I should put that in the, set that right here, or put that in the package tray area. I don't know. Also, I was thinking I want to get a stinger and cut it off so it's 2.5 right here and 3 up here, so it tapers. I think that would be better than it just dumping into 3 right there. That's just me tweaking out. Might not be, but yeah, I've just been in here working on this, snipping away, cutting on stuff. I don't know if you guys are comfortable with your deck lid, working on your car with your deck lid propped. I just took out the hinges, the pin out of the hinges, and got these little pins to make it a little bit easier to take the deck lid off, and you gotta disconnect your license plate light. But I also did this as well. This is also removable. What I did is I'm gonna put washers right here and right here, and bolt it in right here and right here between the fender and this piece right here, so it's removable. It goes on pretty so they all say it goes in pretty easy, man. It hold on, let me get my set up the tripod right here, and I'll show you guys how my little one-legged dance trying to open the tripod up. Yeah, it's not that hard to put in. Just tuck that in there. You gotta do it and not be all jumping, just do it and have both hands free. But yeah, I've just been doing that. And I don't know, trying to keep everything afloat. level, you know, and crazy. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now. Yeah, tired, and I've been feeling myself lately. But yeah, that's what I got, guys, and I'm not gonna do a really long video today. I just want to show y'all something and post a video real quick. I've been busy changing tires on my girl's car. My wagon's in the shop, and I haven't heard. I dropped it off before Thanksgiving, and I still haven't heard nothing from them. So it's under warranty still, but yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for tonight, guys. Little video. But yeah, let me know what you think about let me know what y'all think about that intercooler and my stinger idea for the charge pipe. I think if I do a tapered tube, I think that'll be a better transition than a dump. But yeah. Let me know what you think about this stuff down here, guys. If you have any ideas or comments. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.